On what? Oh, the HPE? Yeah. See, so right here on my earnings plays, I like to see a company that's gone at very minimum 7.5% from the previous close. So if that's the red to green, I want to go at least 7.5%. 10 to 15 is better, if that makes sense. And then, because then it gives us room to play with. So now with HP, it's gone up less than 5% because here is the high of pre-market. And if you look at pre-market, the pre-market high is 1750. So that tells you a lot right there. That it traded right off a $0.50, and it's probably not gonna, go up any higher unless I haven't had a chance to read the earnings. But it probably won't go up any higher. And the other problem we have here with HP being a big stock to trade tomorrow is that right here you have 1.51 billion share float. And it takes a lot of shares to make this stock move. Does that make sense? So the higher the float here, you want this float to be between 50 million and 500 million. Yep, share float. Yep. For example, let's pull up DSW today. This is when I traded. See, this is, yeah, DSW. I traded DSW today. And see, this is 67.4 million. What that tells you, the smaller the size share float you have, the more volatile the stock will trade. So you don't want it really lower than 50. 40, is okay, See, even CGC, this canopy company has, one 177 million, you know. Yeah, that company's taken off, but it kicked my butt, yesterday here, and there's no shorts on it, so I can't short it. So that's sort of a drag. But yeah, so that would be, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Gil, so tomorrow for how long are your options for for HPE? Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, so what I told these guys the other day is, it had good earnings. It shot up almost like 4%, because here's 5% right here, and it almost cleared the top of these gap fills. So, once it clears this line, even if it clears this gap fill line, it might just go right through up, it'll probably go through this one pretty easily. But then you have the just small little, daily grinds up here until you have this macro pivot here. So I think uh, what's going to happen, yes. Yes. Yep. A major turn. So that's a macro pivot. Yeah, right here. Right. Yep. Yep. This is a macro pivot. Right. So yeah, that's what I call a macro pivot. It's not hard to find, you know, but I won't draw these. These ones are probably too small. But the major ones I'll try to draw. Yep. 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 I would draw this one too. This one here I would draw. Yep. So that's where macro pivots are. So yeah, so I would wait for the 9 EMA. I mean, it might pop up. I think if it might wind up somewhere in this area tomorrow. I mean, it could go long, who knows? But in order for it to go get pushed up, I would wait for the 9 EMA to come up under price action, and then, you know, the 20 EMA might be, below it here. So if you get price action down through here, you could buy, buy one out, you know, 2 months out and somewhat out of the money, and then I think, yeah, I think you got a good, I think that'd be a better trade. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. And it's going to spike up here way above the 9 tomorrow. And then it's just going to take the 9 for it to catch up to it. Yep. So Ezra, you want to look at the Walmart real quick? See what we think here. Oh, actually, let's look at see. But you see, look at Walmart here. See, when did you buy it? A couple days ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-huh. The 7th. So last week. Yep. Uh-huh. Exactly. Yeah. So, uh-huh. So what have you learned? Uh-huh. 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 Yep. 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 Yep.